tell us what it means to you to receive the Paul Dawson Award from AACP.
Paul Dawson Award from AACP means a lot to me because this award brings international recognition to our work. Our team has been working in the field of endothelin for past several decades, trying to generate novel ideas which can be developed into products for the benefit of patients.
If you had to name the top 2 or 3 ingredients or factors in your success in pharmaceutical sciences, what would they be?
Ingredient number 1, drive to serve humanity. Number 2, support from family, and the most important is institutional support.
Mentoring is often cited as critical to the success of effective individuals. Who have served as your mentors and how did they inspire you to greatness?
I have been fortunate to have great mentors. I came across several individuals who have impacted my life. My seniors, my colleagues, they have motivated me, inspired me to work hard. I am also fortunate that I got the opportunity to work in India, Europe and United States and could closely interact with my role models from each country. This experience is unique, for which I am extremely thankful. Our accomplishments were not possible without the blessings of my gurus and mentors.
Our award winners often speak of the role that family members play in their success. Could you speak to this for your own career and talk a bit about work-life balance?
This is absolutely correct, that without support from family, particularly my wife, we would not have been at this stage. She never ever complained that I was not able to give adequate time to her and our kids. My parents, my wife's parents, have been an example for me to work hard, keep demands at the minimum and give highest importance to education.
You have worked in several distinctly different academic environments during your career, each with their own culture. This includes education and research outside of the United States. How does culture contribute to the success and productivity of a scientist?
As I mentioned earlier, that I was fortunate that I got opportunity to work in India, Europe and United States. The cultural differences in various countries taught me to dream big, work hard to achieve those dreams and be prepared for failures and be persistent.
With 32 patents and the creation of several companies, you have not only been productive, but also entrepreneurial. What stimulated the entrepreneurial component of your success, and can this be taught to rising scientists and practitioners?
Actually, entrepreneurial activity I feel became a necessity because my aim has been to generate ideas that can lead to development of products which can reduce the suffering of patients and save lives. We cannot do this in isolation and have to establish collaborations. We at academic institutions can generate ideas, we can develop intellectual property, but then a lot of money and expertise is needed for preclinical and clinical development of those products so that regulatory agencies can be satisfied about their safety and efficacy. Only then commercialization can take place and the product can then become available to patients. All this requires entrepreneurial activities and therefore I feel that it became a necessity to get involved in this. One thing I will tell you that I have learned all this at a late stage in my life and my aim is to teach my students that they should gain from my experience and start the process early in their life.
You have been credited as an excellent teacher that inspires students in various ways. How did this come to be such an important element in your career?
In my class, we provide examples so that our students can gain from our experiences and learn and innovate early. And not only, I do not want them to be like me who started innovating much later in my life. My aim is that my students should gain from my experiences and succeed early.